All right, so we're going to start our level 1 acro. So Rebecca's never done this before. It's the first time. I'm walking her feet up till my hands can touch and then placing my feet on her hip bones, heels facing in. And now she's going to grab my shins underneath the knees right here. And then bring your shoulders forward to my hands. So she just folded over like a forward fold. And now I'm going to press her up, lifting her feet off the ground. And she's going to spread her legs wide. As she spreads her legs wide, her hip bones fall off of my feet. And then she can release her hands and completely relax. Completely relax. So you can relax the head down. And it's okay to relax them, especially if they're first time. They be like, what is happening? And so you can kind of massage their shoulders and their arms so they can completely relax and let go. Turn the backs of their hands on the ground so they can completely just feel that blood flow just releasing all the way from the hips all the way down through the shoulders. You can also place your hands on their back. Take a little inhale. And exhale. Breathe a little love. And this is folded leaf. Then from here, you can place your thumbs underneath the elbows and just shake it out a little bit. And then slowly bring the arms over your head, palms together. You can bring your head down. She has a sweater, so it's like choking her. But this is super yogi. So from here, super yogi. This is basic. If you want to get advanced, you can bend your left knee and turn her to the right. She's feeling that stretch. And then the other side, bend the right knee, placing the hands outside the shoulder and turn her the opposite direction. And then palm to palm, she's going to go into up dog. And then I'm going to bring my hands right above my chest. So lift up. And then I'm going to place my feet on her hip bones and press her up, feet together. Good. And so I'm just pressing her up with my hands. Keep straight arms and lift your chest to bird and bring your hands by your side. Awesome. So she's lifting, and I'm finding that sweet spot of balance. The balls of my foot are right on her hip bones, and my toes are pressing her up towards the sky, and my heels are like almost in the center of her thigh. And so from here, we can find hands again. And then I'll bend my knees and let her down. Keep your arms straight, and then stand up. Good job. And we show courtesy. So courtesy, she's going to help me up. And then Hagasana, high five calibration. Awesome. So that's like a beginner, going from folded leaf to super yogi to bird. And now we'll try another sequence really quick. So also courtesy is holding on to the hand here and then bending the knees and slowly lowering down. Perfect. Now come by my head. So now we're going to try something different. Go ahead and turn away from me. So this involves a lot of trust. You're going to make sure she steps, the flyer steps beside your ears, all the way back to your shoulders. And then you're going to bring your feet up as high as you can. And she's tall. She has to bend her knees a little bit and relax back on my feet. So reach back and then relax on the feet. Good. And as I receive her, I bend my knees so she feels supported. And then I press up like leg press up and away, pressing up with my hands and my legs. So this is called high flying whale. I'm going to bring her feet together to touch. And then I'm going to tap on the foot, and she's going to just bend the knee, dragging the foot along the thigh. So bending the knee, keeping the legs together, and point the toe. Bend the knee all the way up into your chest. Bend, bend, bend. Good. I call that sexy leg. And then down. Sexy leg. Nice and slow. And then other side. Bend the knee. Knee into the chest. And so she's practicing a lot of trust because, again, this is her first time doing this. And then slowly back down. So that's high flying whale with sexy leg. And then I'm going to bring the C grip to her feet and bend your knees. Ask her to bend her knees. And now I'm going to take one foot. I'm going to move the heel in, and then I'm going to put the other foot on her hips. And then go ahead and sit up, Becca. Sit all the way up like you're sitting in a chair. And then now I'm going to move the other foot. And I can move my toes up a little bit just to make sure my entire foot is supporting her hips. And now I'm trying to find that sweet spot and then cross her ankles to bring all the energy in. And now she's sitting right above my hips. And this is throne. So we went from high flying well to throne. And now we're going to go to foot to shin. So I'm going to bend my knees and place her feet on my knees. And then she is going to trust, and she's just going to stand up, just standing straight up. Yep. Nice and slow. Good. Just trust it. Don't lean forward. Just stand straight up. Stand straight up. You got this. So that happens. So, so you see how I bounced my knees and I just let her go. I didn't try to hold on to her. I didn't try to catch her. I just let her go off because she's like, oh no. Like, so this is a trust one. So you really have to trust to stand straight up because she's leaning forward. I'm about to take my foot off her hip, so she has to like stand up by herself. And it's got to happen pretty quickly. You want to try again? Okay. So it's got to happen pretty quickly or it might not happen, which it didn't happen that time, but it could happen this time. So now I'm going to get her and throw in a different way now. I'm just going to let her sit on my feet. And now I'm going to just press her straight up. So that's a quicker way to get in the throne, but you have to be really flexible. I have a pretty deep, happy baby to be able to do that. So now we're going to try again, and this time she's just going to trust, stand straight up, and we'll see how it goes. As you stand up, I'm going to, wait. Move this foot in, move this heel in. Yeah, that might feel better. And then move this right on out a little bit and the toes in. So I'm getting her to put her toes and her heels out, and now try to stand up. Nice at the same rate. Just engage your core and stand up. Stand. Stand. Trust it. Stand. I don't know. What are you... this is so good. Third time's a charm. Yeah. So I think you should put the weight into your heels and stand up because you're putting the weight into your toes, which is tipping you forward and you're going that way. Okay. So try putting the weight in your heels and try not looking at me, looking out at the water and then standing up. All right. No, you're standing up with your feet flat and put the weight into your heels. So you're going to stand up not with your toes, but with the ball of your feet. That's going to ground you down in my leg, and it's also going to push my legs down and propel you up. Okay. But on the toes, it's like you're balancing on my shin on your toes, and it's like, But if you ground down through the balls of your feet and your heels, it'll actually push my legs out, and you're going to stand up right on my legs, and my legs are going to support you. Oh. And so you're going to be standing up like this.
Oh, I don't know why in my head I thought your legs were straightening.
Oh. Yeah.
I think that's why I got a little.
All right. Third time's a charm. All right. Good. Nice. Try it again now that you know the mechanics of it. Ready? Just trust it and stand. Wait. Okay, hold on. Okay, ready? Okay. You got this? Stand. Trust it. Yes, you did it! Good, breathe. Keep breathing, I got you. Breathe, relax. Good. Breathe, I got you. Good. Now bend your knees and find my hands. Good. Right here. Good. Nice. Keep the knees bent and bring this leg straight back behind you. We're going to go right back to bird. Yep. Don't lean forward too much. Good. Good job. You did it. Lift your chest. Hands back, Superwoman. Woo! I'm sweating bullets down here. So good. Yay. And then hands. And then slowly lower down. Good job. High five. Oh, hi. High fives.
Yes.
Okay.
Cool.
That's how you build relationships and tear your mic up. That was so good. So let's talk about it for a second. How did it feel? What was going through your mind?
It was really nerve-wracking. I don't
Yeah.
know why. It was scary.
Yeah.
I think because I couldn't see what I was doing. And usually, like in yoga, you like see yourself in the mirror, like so you're comfortable seeing yourself. So not seeing myself and just trusting my body
Yeah.
and trusting you was really like powerful.
Yeah, it was. The last time when you got it, that's what you felt,
Yeah.
just trust.
Yeah.
That's so good. And I could feel it. I could feel her legs shaking and I feel her trusting. And you know, that's the beautiful thing about Acro. You really it takes both people. I had to trust that she was going to stand up just as she had to trust that I was going to hold her. Right? So in life, a lot of times we're looking at the other person, but really it takes two people to make the world go round, right? It takes trust and it takes support and allowing yourself to be supportive. So yeah, that was so good. Good job. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you feel comfortable trying that at home, knowing that you might not get it the first time, the second time, or the third time, but just laughing and trying again, because it's all about getting to know your partner and trusting your partner. And if it helps, you can put pillows around just so you can feel a lot safer. But it is about just being able to play and just figure it out and communicate. Acro Yoga is about communication, trust, play, and just opening yourself up to fail and realize you don't really fail unless you stop trying. So being willing to try again and learn and just do it again. So until next time, love yourself, love others, love the planet, get loved up. Throw a little heart at them. Bye.